Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a brand new post on your blog. Now, first thing we want to do is want to head over to editsbyelement.com, and then once we're there, we're just going to do /wp-admin. Hit enter. Then we're going to type the username and password. Once we're done, we click on login. Alright, so we're pretty much in the dashboard right now. So in order to create a post, what we want to do is we want to go over to the post tab right here. And once you hover over the post, you'll see some other options, which would be all posts, add new, categories, and tags. We'll look at categories later, but for right now, let's do with all posts. Now, once you click on all posts, it's going to show you all the posts that are on your blog. So we can always go through and edit these posts, and we can do two things. We can do an edit, which would be clicking on edit itself, and then you can actually edit anything on your blog. So we could edit the images, we could edit the content, or we could edit also the featured image. Now the featured image is something that you would see here, right here. So this is your featured image that is posted here. Alright, so let's get started with creating our new blog. So from here, we could just simply click on add new, or we can go here and click add new. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a post from this website right here and post it here. We can always delete this later on. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. So we are going to add the title that we want for our blog post. So our title is going to be here. We click on paste because I've copied and pasted from another screen. So once we have our title here, then we can go ahead and add our content and our images inside this field. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to drag and drop some information here. And as I said, this is information that you would have on your own, and you would paste it here. Now to add an image, what we do is we could go to add media. If there is an image already in your media library that you want to use, you would just click on that media library image and then hit insert. If it's not in your library, then you want to go to upload files. Then you're going to select a file from your computer. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I've just selected a file. It's now been uploaded, and once you see that check mark, it means that we're ready to go. So once we do that, we hit on insert into post, and we do not need this one, so we can always delete it. And there we have it. Now to edit the image itself, what you want to do is click on the image, hover over to where we have this pencil, click on edit, and we can always reduce it to a thumbnail or make it larger to full size. So let's do that. Click on update. There we have our full size image. Alright, now let's say we want more additional content below the image itself, then we can also do that. So again, let me go ahead and copy and paste. Alright, and I'm going to paste that information there. And also we got some more information that I'm also going to paste, which would below this or beside it. Alright, there we go. Now another thing that we can do to center the image is once we place our mouse again on the image itself, we can always use these alignment tabs up here and center the image itself. Another thing that we can do here is we can actually wrap the content around the image by clicking on this alignment left tab right here. If we want it centered, we could just simply do that. Want it aligned, we could do that. Want it right aligned, then we click on that. So there are quite a few options that we can use. Now let's say I want to resize the image. Notice these little boxes here on each corner. What we can do is place our mouse just at the corner itself. You'll notice that the mouse changed to a directional arrow. We can left click and hold, drag to our desired size, and that's it. Now in regards to the featured image, then we want to scroll down a little bit, then over to the right here in this column, we want to click on featured image. Again, let's select the image right there and then set featured image. There we have it. Now tags are basically what your visitor would use to search for information. So here we could actually put the name of the person, which is, let's say, Kelly Gray. Sorry, not Grace Price. Kelly Price. Click on add. We could do Kelly Price missing. We could do has Kelly Price been found? And there are quite a few tags that you can come up with. Alright, now finally, what next we're going to do is in the category section, we want to choose where this post is going to be displayed. So we want it in breaking news, so we're going to click on breaking news right here in our category, and then what next? We just simply click published. Sometimes it can take a little bit of time depending on the server. Alright, and there we have it. So let's say you want to visit or you want to view the page without moving from this page itself. Here is the URL. So we just simply hover over the link, right click, click open link in new tab. And there's your post. Now we can go back to our home page and of course we would see our post here. Alright, so that's pretty much it in creating a new post on your blog. If you have any questions, of course reach out to me and I will assist in any way I can. Alright, thank you and talk to you next time.